chart. Okay.
reporting.
Data to pie chart, yes. We're going to do the pie chart. Okay, so we are going to use this data. Let me copy this. I take it to another sheet. So I'm going to paste it here. Okay, so let's do our pie chart from here.
Yes. So you highlight the cell
Okay.
that you want to use, whether it's these or all of them.
Okay.
That you want to represent in the pie chart, or just two.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, so it's like when you have more than 2 columns,
Yes.
and you need your pie chart on specific columns, the best will be to highlight those columns only. Because if you highlight everything, the chart is going to include everything.
Exactly.
And it's going to be cluttered in such a way that it won't be, legible. Okay. So now, which ones do we want to take?
The company name and the tax collected.
Okay, let me take this off. So we're going to use, I hope you can see it from my video. I try to expand it. Yeah, okay. So we're going to use the company name and the tax collected. Okay. So the company name or the taxpayer name. Okay, so how should I select the other one? I press shift, or what do I press?
You can press control.
Okay, I hit control, because if I should hit shift, then that means it's going to highlight the other one. Okay, so if you want to highlight ranges that are not consecutive, that are not following each other, we use the control key. So you press the control key whilst you go and highlight the other areas. So I press the control key, then I come and highlight here. Okay, excellent.
So you can auto sum it. Or
Auto sum.
no, go every down.
Okay.
The expected amount isn't there.
Okay, which one are you do you want to do the donut?
No, not the donut, the pie chart.
The normal pie chart.
Yes.
Then if it is the normal part, we don't need the expected one.
Okay.
Yes.
So then you go to inside.
Okay, then we go to insert menu.
Inside menu.
You can see clearly, it's around inside pie chart here.
Yes, inside pie chart. Let me just expand it a little bit.
The problem is these ones, the ribbons you cannot.
I can say it as in my.
Yeah, you can say it as you can have it. Yeah.
So you go. So when you go to inside, then you go to pie chart.
Okay, pie chart.
So it will give you like the various designs that you want.
Okay.
Yes.
So you have the 2D, you have the 3D, and then you have the donut.
Yes. So you can go for the 3D.
The 3D, yes. I think the 2D they are just putting it there, but no one will want to go for the 3D because the 3D is a lot better when it comes to visualization. Yes.
So when you go to the 3D, you click on it.
Okay, you click on it.
It appears.
It appears.
But it's just an empty pie chart.
Yes.
It's not like explanatory as the
Yes.
figures or
And what I'm going to suggest, maybe the formatting, if you can leave that to, I think you've done enough here. Because if you want to say it, people will be they will frown you. So she has taught us how to query a pie chart from our data. Thank you.